Craving a nutritious way to kickstart your day? Consider a fabulous green protein smoothie, packed with vitamins, minerals, and protein to fuel your day. Begin with 1 cup of spinach and half a cup of kale leaves, ensuring they're washed and ready. Pop these into a blender along with half a sliced cucumber and a cup of almond milk. Blend until the greens are well combined. Now it's time for some fruity goodness. Add half a frozen banana, half a cup of pineapple chunks, and half an avocado to the blender. Blend again until the mixture turns smooth and creamy. Next, it's time to power up. Add a scoop of plant-based protein powder and a tablespoon of chia seeds to the smoothie. Blend for another 30 seconds to ensure everything is well mixed. Voila! But wait, is the smoothie too thick? Add more almond milk until you reach your desired consistency. If you prefer a colder smoothie, throw in a handful of ice cubes. Finally, pour the green protein smoothie into a glass and garnish with additional chia seeds or a slice of cucumber if desired. This green protein smoothie is not only delicious but also a powerhouse of nutrients. It includes fiber, vitamins, and plant-based protein that help kickstart your day or replenish your energy post-workout. Feel free to customize the ingredients based on your preferences and dietary needs. Enjoy the nutritious and tasty smoothie. And remember, good health is a journey, not a destination. So, make sure to incorporate wholesome foods into your daily routine. This green protein smoothie is a step in the right direction. Health and taste, all in one glass. Cheers to that.